sorry about that.
No, I wasn't sure I had the right. I was in a bit of a flap. God, the parking around here is horrendous, isn't it?
I know.
I left myself enough time out there, almost like a curb crawler looking for a spot.
I know. I tell you, I'm only here, I've been here just a couple of weeks, and I'm not sure, between ourselves, if I'm going to, because there are a lot of disadvantages.
Well, no. I ended up parking in the hospital car park in the end, which is what I should have done in the first place. I'll know that for next time. It's my own fault.
No, I know. I mean, I should have probably, as I say, I'm still only sort of just getting myself sorted out here, but I should have...
No, it's fine. I'm here now.
Yes. Well, good. So, John, how are you?
I'm not bad. I've been a bit, I've never been to see someone before.
All right. Well, that's okay. I have a letter.
Right.
From Dr. Casey.
Yeah, that's right. There was a guy he wanted me to see, but I couldn't get an appointment for 4 months or something.
Okay.
Yeah, so...
And, you've not been sleeping well, is that right?
Well, yeah.
Which must be very debilitating for you.
And, Can I?
Of course, please.
I'm sorry.
It's fine, it's fine.
You've got the box of tissues and everything. I'm, recently bereaved. I don't know if Dr. Casey...
Mm-hmm.
My wife, she passed away a few months ago, and she was in a taxi and a stolen car crashed into them. And she was trapped in the taxi, and it was a horrific crash. And she didn't survive. I was late getting to the hospital. And the reality of it absolutely, really, it's now, you know.